First, whatever power you possess, whatever knowledge you possess, you can never change anything, and no one is going to change for you. You can never change anything, and no one is going to change for you. And you can never change anyone. We need to accept this. The entire universe is happening in a beautiful way created by the God or the superpower, whatever you want to name it. But there is something called nature. As a human being, the first lesson you fail to learn in life is this. We spend all our energy trying to change someone or expecting someone to change for us. No, it's never going to happen. So what is the first one? No matter what, nobody is going to change for you and nothing is going to change for you. Keep yourself happy knowing this. Don't waste your time. Don't get upset. It's okay. Second, you as a human being, you are the only person who is responsible for your life, not even God. God is a protector and provider, but you are the person who is responsible for your life, not even God. Don't blame anybody. I'm not even saying stop blaming. Even if you blame, it's useless. You are the only person who is responsible for your life. That's called karma, right? Otherwise, there is no point in talking about trying to take all the effort to change your destiny. Simply accept the fact your life is not predetermined. You create your future. Your life is predestined. If you don't take effort to change the life, what is already destined for you has to come to you as experience. Accept to it. But your life is not predetermined. You create your future. You alone create your future. You are the only person who is responsible for your life. If you're not happy, it's your fault. It's your mistake. Let's accept it. Nothing wrong about it. And let us not repeat the mistake. So what's the second one? You are the only person who is responsible for your life. If you understand this, many things will start changing immediately and instantly. Not only in your mind, even in physical reality. Third one, only when you understand these two things, the third lesson we fail to learn is about time. God is same for everyone. The only proof is time is same for everyone. The 24 hours given to me is the same 24 hours given to anybody and everyone. Even if God is going to come to this planet Earth in human form, He is also destined with the same 24 hours. But what we do in 24 hours doesn't need to be the same for everyone. What we achieve in 4 hours, someone may achieve in 4 minutes. And that's called skill. That's called blessing. So if you want to make use of this 24 hours more effectively, rise your blessing. For that, rise yourself in consciousness. Otherwise, you'll always be the loser. You need to be an energy booster. If you understand the value of time, the power of time, which is same for everyone, Kala and the Lord Shiva is the same. Time and God is same if you understand this truth. You fail to understand this truth. You fail to learn this lesson in life. Instead, you're going and wasting time in my astrology, my time is not good, my time is bad, this time is going to be, now itself you're deciding. When you accept to astrology and when you say that is the good time and this year is going to be good time, you are practically telling to God, in your creation, in my life, that time is going to be more better than this time. No. Every time is a beautiful time. If you understand the power of God in you, every moment is a beautiful time. Anything that you start without a suspicious mind is the most auspicious time. Anything you start with a suspicious mind is the most inauspicious time. So tell yourself, I failed to learn this. But don't fix yourself. In life, this year was a bad year. The next year is going to be a good year. Presently, it is a, average year. No, every time is a beautiful time. You don't understand that. You're focusing only the time at which you receive the fruit. I'm focusing on the time in which I take the deeper root. That root has got, strength to give you the best and bigger tree and which made you to enjoy the fruits of life. So every time is the best time. Come what may. Now listen to this. What are the 4 things you fail to learn? First is what? You cannot change anything. You cannot change anyone. Nothing is going to change for you. No one is going to change for you, including your parent, including your children. Don't cheat yourself. That's an illusion. Second, you are the only person who is responsible for your life. Third, know the power of time. Being a human, you alone have the power of time. When you say you have a choice, the choice is based on time. January is January for everybody. But what is going to happen in January will not be the same for everyone. That's the difference between the human and animals. The very basic difference is given by the time, the commitment that we do for the time that is available for us. You see to it, how you waste it. If you don't use the time in the right way, which means you are an energy spoiler. You can either be an energy booster or energy spoiler. Looking at unwanted things, pouring all the opinion inside of you which is not even required, listening to everyone and never listening to you. Forget about not even listening to God. You're not even taken time to listen to your own self. Instead, you're listening to everybody's. Let them be expert. Let them be expert. But you decide what you want in life. For that, you need to understand where you stand and how to utilize the time given to you. Some people are more successful at the age of 30. Some people start at the age of 30. Some people are, have taken the peak in life and again started falling down at the age of 40. Some must have started only at the age of 40. Come what may, please understand this. Then what is the fourth lesson I failed to learn, Guruji? This is the most beautiful thing. This is the most powerful thing that you need to know. Every human has to know. Being a human, you are incredibly fortunate. This is what we fail to learn. And this one thing, if you learn and realize, every moment you will be a source of success, not only for you, but for everyone. You miss to learn this. You are incredibly fortunate to be a human. Incredibly. I'll tell you just two things why you are incredibly fortunate. I can give list. I can go on with the list, which will take at least 3 to 4 years to finish. That kind of power God has given you. But two simple things. In this entire creation, you alone have the power of self-awareness. And you alone can raise yourself to the state of divine consciousness itself. So always tell yourself, these are the 4 simple lessons, but which will make me powerful, which I failed to learn. So tell it to yourself. First is what? I cannot change anyone and no one is going to change for me. Second, I'm the only person responsible for your life. Now you will make sure you understand the value of time. Every single minute, either you are an energy booster or energy spoiler. Energy spoiler. Be an energy booster. Don't be energy spoiler. The last one, always tell yourself, I've been depending on so much of power to save me, protect me, relieve me. No. The simple truth will give you all the power to regain your lost ability, to retain your existing ability, and to attain whatever you're wanting to have in life. You're incredibly fortunate. That's the reason in Shiva Sutra insists this one thing as ultimate thing that you need to learn from Shiva Sutra. In spite of all the 112 sutras, this one is given the highest importance. What's important? Being a human, it is not that you are gifted with the power to realize Shiva. The ultimate power that is given to you is what? It is to realize you are that Shiva. What is that? You are that Shiva. And now with all the pride, tell yourself, no matter how big is the situation, you're always bigger than the situation. You're not stuck. You're not stuck. No matter how big is the situation, you're always bigger than the situation. Now you're not stuck. You can change your destiny. You will change your destiny. Brahmash.